Hi, John Giffin here with State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas. We also cover the College Station, Bryan area and all the areas in between. I'm here to talk to you today about financing for your deductible. A lot of times right now, everybody's got a 2%, 3% deductible, and they've gotten ridiculously high. You need to look at somebody such as me, State Roofing Company, that may be able to help you out with financing your deductible when you have a claim. The other thing that's occurring is a lot of people are running across where they have a roof schedule or an ACV coverage on their roof. That means they're losing more of their money that they don't get from the insurance carrier because it's not covered under the replacement cost value of a policy. Therefore, you might need to finance that too. But call State Roofing and we can help you with that. We're here to do whatever we can to help with your claim, get it finalized, and get you a number that you can live with. Please call us here at State Roofing Company, 281-293-7000. Thank you.